12 minus 12 times 12 minus 12. At first glance, it might look easy, and you may be tempted to subtract 12 from 12 right away, getting 0, and then do the same for the other 12 minus 12, ending up with 0 times 0, which equals 0. However, that answer is incorrect because we must follow the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. This means we solve parentheses first, then exponents, followed by multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. In this problem, there are no parentheses or exponents, but there is multiplication, which must be done before subtraction. So first, we calculate 12 times 12, which equals 144. Now the expression becomes 12 minus 144 minus 12. Next, we handle subtraction from left to right. 12 minus 144 gives negative 132, and then negative 132 minus 12 gives negative 144. Therefore, the correct answer is negative 144.